Hey everybody, B-rad here. Today I'm showing you my porta-band stand that I made to fit in a receiver hitch. That way I can still pull it out real easy and use it to cut stuff not so portable. Here's a little bit of a closer look of it. We got this pin here that just goes through the handle of the saw. This is the Bauer, the Harbor Freight porta-band. Just have two braces, one on this side, one on this side to hold it steady. And then I just welded a 2-inch tube to come back into the receiver. So let me show you how easy that it comes back out of here. Just like that, you're ready to cut. Put it back in. Just like that, ready to go again. Okay, here's a little bit of a different view out of the receiver. Just got the 5/8 hole here for the pin. Piece of rectangle tube. Just some 1/4-inch plate that I bent to get the right profile. Here's the top. This is just a piece of tube, rectangle tube, I cut in half and then drilled holes in it for the pin. And this pin is 7/16. I had to step it out here a little bit to get the right angle for this, this direction. So overall, it was real simple to build. The saw just fits right back in there real easy because I don't plan on using it too much in this. This is more for cutting smaller stuff. Bigger stuff, I have a larger bandsaw. And then you just need something to hold the trigger down. That way you can plug it in and it'll run. You can get a foot switch, which I might still get one of those. But I didn't modify the saw at all. The only thing I had to do was run a drill bit through here just a little bit for the pin to fit through there easier. Just like that, real simple. Take it right back out. Cut on here if you want, and just go right back in here. Now I just gotta finish painting it. It's too windy out here today to do that, so I thought I would just show you the mostly finished product. If you like what you see, subscribe to me there. You can always hit the thumbs up button. Watch some of my other videos. But that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Bye.